Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. Let's take a quick look at the kit that I will be designing with for the Country Craft Creations October 2025 Seasons of Creativity box. So this is my kit that I received and I haven't opened it yet, so stay tuned and we'll take a peek at it together. I've opened up my kit, took everything out of the main bag of what my kit came in. So this is what I will be playing with for the, as I said, the October 2025 Seasons of Creativity box from Country Craft Creations. This is what I'll be making a project for. So I'm kind of excited about this. This is something a little different from me. This is a 4x6 snap flip book in speckled dots. I think that's just really cute. So I'm just going to take this out of the package so we can take a quick look at it. Sealed up pretty good there. There we go. So we're going to be making us a little album out of this little 4x6 flip book. And I think that I'm going to figure out a way to maybe put some spacers in there so we can have our thicker embellishments. But anyway, it comes like this, so we open it up and we have all our plastic sleeves, and then we're going to build up on that and make us a really cute, fun little album. So that is the 4x6 flip book, the snap flip book in speckled dots. That's really cute. It's got a cute background on there. So let me set that aside. Now I also got, I took this out of the package, I got the brown seam binding, so you'll want that to use. And then the collection is Simple Stories Cider and Donuts. So this is the paper pack. You'll get this 6x8 paper pad, which is perfect for creating in these little snap books because you don't have a lot of paper waste. So this is really, really cute. Look at this. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. All the beautiful little fall colors. Love that brown with the floral. Mushrooms, the dots, that's really cute. Fall is my favorite season of all. I love the floral on the back of that. This plaid, floral, thankful. Little cut apart cards, more plaids, little tags. Look at that little brown there. Little desserts and cider and apple slices. I love that green there. More cut aparts. And then I think it repeats itself. So I think you get, there's 24 papers, 2 designer prints of each one. And then of course you got your 3x4 greeting card elements and everything. So that is a really fun little paper collection for us to work with. And then to go along with that, we have the chipboard frames. So that's what they look like there. I'm not going to take them all out of the package, but you have the chipboard frames. You probably won't use all of these in this project because of the size, but we can cut them down or you can use them in other projects. Then we also have the floral bits. I love floral bits. There's what they look like. You're going to get all of these. There are 46 pieces of floral bits. Here on the frames, there are 6 frames. So 46 pieces of your floral bits. Then you have the fun decorative brads. Now these are the kind that don't have the prongs, so they're easy to use. You have 27 self-adhesive brads and 6 chipboard pieces for the Simple Stories Cider and Donuts collection. Love the little squirrel, that's really cute. And the flowers, love that. It says give thanks. Then we have one full sheet 12x12 cider and donuts tags that you can cut apart. There's what they look like on the main side. Super, super cute. These can be used in that as well. new item called, from my memory book, this is a sliding photo pocket. So this is going to be really interesting. We're going to see how this works. There's 2 photo pockets, and it's perfect for decorating your memories. So obviously it's a little frame that slides, a place for your photos. So I'm going to take a look at that. So I can't wait to get started on my project and then have it ready for you when you receive your Seasons of Creativity box in October. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the bell so that you'll be notified of my regular projects. And as always, shop at countrycraftcreations.com. If you haven't signed up yet for this box, for the October box, you might want to check that out. I'll share a link to Country Craft Creations where you can check out the subscription box. If it's your first time, you might want to get in on it. There's a lot of other projects, other designers that'll be creating with different collections, so it's a lot of fun. Everything you need except for cardstock is included to get you going. Of course, you need your adhesives and your basic tools. So anyway, thanks so much for taking a quick peek at this with me, and I'll check in with you later. Bye-bye.